video, I'll be demonstrating how you can make a placement. So firstly, make sure you're in the requirement that you'd like to make the placement on, and then if you head over to the tab that says candidates, and in here it will give you the candidates that have been shortlisted and basically gone through the process to either have an interview, things like that, and it will give you all the information here. So say for example you'd like to place someone, you'd go to the Apple icon and select this, and it will take you through to the offer information. And in here you can edit the information if need to be. Say for example everything is perfect and ready to go and they're happy to accept this offer. You select this at the top where it says accept offer. Okay, you'll notice now that this record has changed from an offer to a placement, and at this point you're still able to edit the information, but say for example you're all happy to get this authorized and set up, you basically go up to the top and where it says authorized placement, if you select that, this basically gives you a little warning to say this placement will be authorized. Is that everything you want? And if it is, you select OK. And now you'll notice you're not able to edit any of the information within the placement here. And at this stage, it would usually go to the finance team or, for example, a manager to get authorized again, just to make sure everything's OK. However, you do also have the option here to unauthorize the placement, just in case you know that there's been a mistake or anything like that. You can unauthorize it so then you can edit it. However, if this gets sent over to the finance team or the manager and if they are happy with all the information, they'll basically follow the same procedure by authorizing it again and following the same steps you just took. However, if we head back to the requirement and then head back to the candidates tab, you'll notice now that it's gone from an offer to a placement, and if you select this icon, it will take you straight through to that placement record. I hope this helps.